will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your package option app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on profile. When you click here on profile, when you click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on profile. So when you click on profile, it's going to take you to this list here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. So you come here to subscribe to updates from your manager, clicking this sign. Like you see here, this color show for us. That's mean here subscribe to updates from your manager. This enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.